In this session, we have to prepare 100 ml of 1 molar standard solution of sodium chloride from the solid sodium chloride. In order to calculate the mass of solid needed to make the solution, we have to do the calculations. For that, the formula used is that the molarity is equal to weight divided by the molar mass multiplied by 1000 divided by the how much volume of the solution we have to prepare. So the molar mass of sodium chloride is 59.44 grams per mole. So if we put these values in this formula, we get the molarity we have to prepare for the solution is 1 is equal to weight divided by 58.44 multiplied by 1000 divided by 100. So the weight of sodium chloride that comes out to be 5.844 grams. After doing the calculations, we will prepare the solution in the virtual lab. So we have to prepare 100 ml of 1 molar sodium chloride solution. For that we required the NaCl solution and we require distilled water. So we will click on this cabinet of distilled water. It will appear on this workbench, and NaCl that will also appear on this workbench. Then we require the apparatus. For that we require the flask. We will take 250 ml of the Erlenmeyer flask, and then we required one pipette, that is 5 ml, and we require the volumetric because we have to prepare 100 ml of the solution. So we will select this 100 ml of volumetric flask, and from the we require the scale also for weighing. So we will bring this here, and now we will bring this 250 ml of this flask, or we can rename it as A. So this we will bring this flask and keep it over this scale. So when this green plus sign will appear, uh, release this your mouse cutter, so it will show the value. So you can press this stir, so it will be 0. It will show the reading 0. Now what you will do is you will transfer this NaCl bottle over this A flask. Again the plus green sign will appear. Now you have to transfer the amount. So how much we have to transfer? So in the toolbar we have to press take this transfer bar. We will select this precise transfer. So how much we have to transfer? 5 point which we have done the calculation 844. So this much gram we will pour. So we will do the weigh, and then we will keep this flask here and keep this scale at its place. Then after that we will take this 100 ml of volumetric flask, this pipette, and then we will bring the water and keep it over the flask A. When this green plus sign will appear, you can release your button. Then how much we have to transfer? I will write here 90. So the 90 ml of water will be transferred to the flask A. Then I'll transfer this water, 90 ml of the water which contains the solid sodium chloride, from the flask A to the volumetric flask. So again I'll write here 90. So I'll transfer the 90 ml solution of sodium chloride from flask A to the volumetric flask of 100 ml capacity. After that, I will again take the distilled water and transfer 5 ml into the flask A. Again, I will bring this flask A over the volumetric flask, and again I'll write here 5. So the 5 ml more will be transferred. Clear? After that, what I will do is I will again add 5 ml of the water into the flask A. Now I'll keep this distilled water at its place, and now I'll bring the pipette and I will write here 5, and I will withdraw 5 ml of this water into the pipette. Now I will bring this pipette over the 100 ml volumetric flask, and now I will shift this transfer bar to the realistic transfer. Clear? After that I will start pouring. So I'll pour this 5 ml of water from the pipette into the volumetric flask. See, the meniscus is coming up. Since the solution is colorless, so the lower meniscus should touch the mark of 100 ml. See, this is 100 ml solution has been prepared. Clear? So if I click here, you can see on this side we have the 100 ml volumetric flask. Now the volume is 99.843 ml. So like this we have to prepare the 1 molar solution of the 100 ml 1 molar solution of NaCl, that is 100 ml. And see, this molarity of the sodium ions and the chloride ions are given here. Clear?